Lesson: Emerging Trends in Consumer Rights and Data Access. Emerging trends in consumer rights and data access are pivotal in shaping the landscape of information privacy, particularly as they pertain to consumer rights and data subject access requests. As data becomes an ever more valuable commodity, understanding these trends is essential for privacy professionals seeking to enhance their proficiency in managing consumer rights effectively. This lesson explores actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications to help professionals tackle real-world challenges in this domain. Recent years have witnessed significant transformations in consumer rights, driven by an increase in data breaches, heightened consumer awareness, and the implementation of stringent data protection regulations. One of the most profound changes is the empowerment of consumers with rights over their personal data. Regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe and the California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States have set the precedent for consumer rights globally. These regulations grant consumers the right to access, rectify, delete, and restrict the processing of their personal data, among other rights. Understanding and implementing these rights requires privacy professionals to adopt a structured approach. A practical framework that can be utilized is the Rights Management Framework, which consists of 5 key components: identification, verification, processing, response, and evaluation. Identification involves recognizing the consumer's request and determining its validity. Verification ensures the identity of the requester to prevent unauthorized access. Processing entails gathering the relevant data and preparing it for delivery. Response involves communicating the findings to the consumer, and evaluation assesses the efficiency and effectiveness of the entire process. Consumer access to data is another critical aspect that demands attention. As data portability becomes a norm, consumers expect to easily transfer their data between service providers. This trend is driven by the GDPR's Article 20, which mandates data portability, allowing consumers to obtain and reuse their personal data across different services. Implementing data portability requires organizations to develop interoperable systems and interfaces that enable seamless data transfer while maintaining data integrity and security. For instance, the use of standardized APIs can facilitate data interchange between platforms, ensuring compliance and enhancing user experience. Several practical tools and technologies are available to support privacy professionals in managing consumer rights and data access. Data mapping tools like OneTrust and TrustArc help organizations identify where personal data resides, making it easier to respond to DSARs and comply with data protection regulations. These tools provide visual representations of data flows and processing activities, enabling privacy professionals to pinpoint potential privacy risks and address them proactively. Another emerging trend is the use of automation to streamline DSAR processes. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, organizations can automate the identification, retrieval, and redaction of personal data, significantly reducing response times and minimizing human error. For example, AI-powered platforms like BigID and IBM Watson can analyze vast amounts of data, categorize it, and ensure that only relevant information is shared with consumers, thus enhancing efficiency and compliance. Case studies illustrate the importance of these tools and frameworks in practice. Consider the example of a multinational corporation that faced challenges in managing DSARs due to its decentralized data management system. By implementing a centralized data mapping and automation tool, the company was able to reduce DSAR response times from several weeks to a matter of days, thereby improving compliance and customer satisfaction. This case highlights the value of integrating technology into privacy management practices to address the complexities of data access requests effectively. Statistics further underscore the significance of these trends. According to a study by Gartner, by 2023, 65% of the world's population will have its personal data covered under modern privacy regulations, up from 10% in 2020. This increase in regulatory coverage emphasizes the need for privacy professionals to stay abreast of evolving consumer rights and data access requirements. Moreover, A report by Cisco revealed that organizations with robust privacy practices experience fewer data breaches and shorter sales delays, demonstrating the tangible benefits of investing in privacy compliance. Beyond compliance, consumer trust is a crucial factor driving the focus on data access and consumer rights. Transparency in data handling practices fosters trust and strengthens customer relationships. Privacy professionals can enhance transparency by implementing privacy dashboards that allow consumers to view and manage their personal data preferences. These dashboards provide users with insights into how their data is used, shared, and stored, empowering them to make informed decisions about their personal information. Education and training also play a vital role in equipping privacy professionals with the necessary skills to navigate emerging trends effectively. Continuous professional development programs, like the Certified Information Privacy Professional Certification, offer comprehensive training on consumer rights and data access. These programs provide privacy professionals with the knowledge and tools needed to implement best practices, stay compliant with evolving regulations, and address the challenges posed by emerging trends. In summary, emerging trends in consumer rights and data access are reshaping the landscape of information privacy. Privacy professionals must adopt structured frameworks, leverage practical tools, and embrace technology to address real-world challenges effectively. By implementing the rights management framework, utilizing data mapping and automation tools, and fostering transparency through privacy dashboards, professionals can enhance their proficiency in managing consumer rights and data access requests. As privacy regulations continue to evolve, staying informed and proactive will be essential for maintaining compliance, building consumer trust, and safeguarding personal data.